Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and compare phones here. We have an S7 and then we have a Galaxy S10. So this is kind of just comparing the video. Oops, sorry about that. Comparing the videos here. They're both being filmed in like 1080 full HD or whatever. So they're the exact same. And like here's like just up and down. I'm doing all the same motions and all that good. So there's, gotta keep in mind the S7. You know, I've had it for 2 years. I can't open up the door. We're gonna shut off the lights so we can see low visibility compared side by side. Here's the audio of the Galaxy S7. Here is the audio of the Galaxy S10. Let's see how that works. But this is a quick video I'm going to make here for you guys so you can see the difference and hopefully look forward to the quality change on the channel, at least until we get a better, an actual camera. But you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.